service costing and operating costing. We have seen how to get the cost of service related to transport, may it be road, may it be trucks, etc. Then we have seen yesterday how to get the cost for any hotel industry, and I have given you certain assignment for the same. I believe you must have done it. So there is no much difference between hotel and transport industry. What we found, more or less costing will remain same, only the nomenclature will change. And uh, uh, if I am talking about uh, for hotel costing, we need to in road we used to get the cost per kilometer, per turn kilometer, or per passenger kilometer, per seat, per turn per kilometer, kind of. But in room it could be per day per room, or per bed per room, or per month per room, a kind of. So those working as we used to do for road, similar kind of working we need to do it here also in hotel industry. And then subsequently you can get the cost per day per room, or per bed, or likewise. So more or less again we have to segregate fixed cost and variable cost. So today again we will be having our service costing calculation for hospital industry. So in hospital also there won't be much difference between hotel and hospital, because here also only the heading will change basically. So there we have manager, attendant, etc. Here it will be nurse, doctor, etc., etc. So I hope and I believe you must have done the exercise for hotel, which has been given to you as an assignment. Few questions has been asked you all to complete as an assignment of hotel. So today we'll be going to check regarding hospital. These all hotel customs I have asked you to do it with your own. If you have any difficulties, feel free to ask me your doubt, no problem. Okay. So let us take up question number 13, which is hospital costing. A hospital is run by a company. For this purpose, it hire a building on rent for 5,000 per month, plus it would bear the repair charges also. So this is one cost. Now tell me which kind of cost you will consider it as. Of course, it will be a fixed cost. Yes or no? The hospital is having 25 beds. 5 more beds can be accommodated as and when it arises or it requires. So total 30 beds capacity is there in this hospital. The staff of hospitals are as follow: two supervisor, each salary 500 per month; four nurses, each salary 300 per month; two ward boy, each salary 150 per month. These are all fixed costs which hospital is incurring. Although the hospital is open for patient for 365 days, record for the year 2009 disclosed that only 120 days in a year the unit had been full capacity. So 120 days, how many we will have? 25 patient per day. For another 80 days, it has average 20 beds. Okay, only. But there was an occasion where the bed were full and extra bed were hired, higher charges of 5 per day, and this did not come more than 5 extra beds on above normal capacity. Okay, the total higher charges for extra bed incurred for whole year is 2000 rupees. So these are the they have segregated like what we had yesterday regarding hotel, how many days or how many months we have full capacity, how many months we have partially less capacity, etc., etc. The unit engaged expert doctor from outside to attend the patient, and the fees was paid on the basis of number of patients attended and time spent by them, which is on an average to be 10,000 per month for 2009. Okay, so doctor uh, payment or salary is also mentioned. The other expenses are as under repair charges, which has to be bear by them, food and supply to the patient, other services to the patient, laundry charges to the patient, medicine supply to the patient, cost of oxygen and X-ray, other directly borne treatment of the patient 54,000, general administration charges of hospital 49,000. The hospital recovered an amount 100 rupees per day on an average from each patient. Compute the profit per patient per day made by the hospital as per operating cost sheet. So now here the question is bit different. What is the question stating? They don't want to us to uh, calculate the cost or sales or profit. They want us to compute कि भाई if the we will charging 100 rupees per patient per day, whether it is beneficial or if it is profit, then how much is the profit per patient hospital is making for the year 2009. Okay, so this is bit different question than what previously we were doing. It's very good question, and I mean it is a practicing question for both the aspects. So now let us start again. We will go for the working. These are the assumption I told you. Whenever there is assumption, before starting the question, you make these assumptions. The cost of generator and other services has been considered as variable cost. Cost of generator I am finding not there. Okay. Cost of oxygen and X-ray considered as fixed cost. 54,000 is given. It will be fixed. Okay. Then the charges for extra bed will be semi-variable. However, consider as variable cost. Of course, charges we are taking 5 rupees per bed, and we have collected 2,000. So we'll get to know how many extra bed is required for how many days. And for others, it is given 120 days for 25 patients. We'll multiply, we'll get the answer. 80 days for 20 beds. So again, we will multiply and we'll get the answer. And here, but we will divide and then we will get the answer. So those many will be patient per day, patient day rather, patient day, total patient day, which they are looking for. So again, what is happening here? Some details are there on monthly basis. some details are also annually. There were something it was annually, no. Okay. But they want us to make the cost sheet for 2009 entire year. So we will be considering entire year only as our cost sheet. We will not go for monthly, we will be going annually. Okay. Thirteen 189. So we'll go for first calculation as patient day, total patient day. What is the calculation here for patient day? They are stating for 182, 120 days, 125 patients. So 120. So how many patient day we are getting here? 120 into 25. कितना patient?
3,000.
3,000. Then further we have 80 days to 20. So 80 days for 20 patients.
1,600.
And for extra bed,
5.
they have given, we have collected how much? We have
2,000.
collected 2,000 rupees, 5 each. So 2,000
Divided by 5.
Will be patient day.
400.
How much? 200.
400.
So this is my total patient day.
5,000. So 5,000.
5,000. No worries. Make it 5,000. But estimated service cost sheet. यहाँ पे क्या था? हॉस्पिटल है ना? So let us take, I think initially all costs are fixed only. Rent कितना है? 5,000. सैलरी वैलरी आएगा ही. Rent per annum 5,000 into 12 कितना आएगा? 60,000. स्टाफ का कितना सैलरी हो जाएगा? 2 सुपरवाइजर ईच. तो स्टाफ सैलरी 2 into 500 into 12. Am I right?
Yes, sir. 12,000.
Then nurse salary 4 nurse 300 per month. 4 300
14,400. 14,400.
14.
1,400.
Ward boy 2 into 150 into 12.
3,600.
3,600. Then although the hospital is open for the patient all 365 days in a year, okay, this has been already taken care. A unit of expert doctor is on paid basis and 10,000 per month. So doctor salary am I right? Then repairs 3,600.
सर ये सैलरी वेरिएबल में नहीं जाएगा?
कौन सा?
ये डॉक्टर सैलरी.
क्यों? वेजेस है क्या? डॉक्टर सैलरी क्यों वेरिएबल होगा? जितना मंथली है सब फिक्स्ड ही है। अभी फूड वगैरह वेरिएबल में आएगा, अदर सर्विसेज, फूड, मेडिसिन, दीज आर वेरिएबल। रिपेयर्स तक वहाँ है, फूड एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन के लिए उसने क्या माना था, फिक्स कॉस्ट। चलो कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन भी फिक्स में ले लेते हैं। कितना है भाई कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, 54,000। We have less than 1 minute. If it is getting over, again you join.